All right, so it looks like Gemini is now built into Google Colab. So it's going to ask me right off the bat, what can I help build? In this case, maybe I'll say a Python function to calculate the area, um, given 4 coordinate pair variables. So that's not how normal people speak, but since I know a little bit about code and how this might work, I can say that. Let's see what happens here. All right, so there it goes. I'm going to accept it. And then what I might say, I could ask it to explain the shoelace formula. There it's getting into multiple polygons. And then here's run an example usage for calculate area. So that's the name of the function, so I'll go ahead and do that. We'll see how it kind of integrates it into this. And there we go. And what I will do this time is accept and run. And that's what's happening here, is running this function with these coordinates and giving me the area of the polygon is 1. So we could start to do stuff like, hey, if I change this to 4, what do I expect it to be when I run it again? You know, and you can get into that idea about how to verify that this simple function works and kind of go from there. But this kind of integration between the AI and the development environment is pretty solid, and I think simplifies things quite a bit.